जहाँ ज्यादातर फैंस को लास्ट वीक ड्रॉस का सामना करना पड़ा, वहीं कुछ फैंस ऐसे थे जो एक्साइटिंग विन्स भी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे। और उन फैंस में से एक आज हमारे साथ है। हाय ईश, वेलकम बैक टू मैच की बात फुटबॉल एडिशन।
Thank you so much, Nidhi. Thank you for having me, and yay!
What a weekend, Ish. United का शानदार comeback, that 80th minute goal and especially the 90th minute goal. How you feeling? Tell me everything.
Amazing, यार. Like I did not expect that we'll turn around the match कि हम जीत ही जाएंगे. But I was completely happy with the team's performance, the way they played, and they were in the match till the 90th minute was the best thing, यार. Of course, वो win से हम बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुए. But the way they fought away match at Etihad Stadium against Manchester City and the way we played, I think like it was a brilliant match, and I just loved the process in which they approached the game.
रूबन आमोरिम के लिए इतना काफी नहीं था कि स्पोर्टिंग से सिटी को हरा दिया. He had to come to United and do the same thing, no?
True, he had to change two teams just to beat Pep Guardiola twice.
वैसे काफी बिग स्टेटमेंट भी दिया. ड्रॉप्ड गर्नाचो एंड रैशफोर्ड इतने इंपॉर्टेंट गेम में. बट ईश, दिस आल्सो प्रूव्स कि रूबन आमोरिम काफी सीरियस है, राइट, अबाउट वीडिंग आउट ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम. एम आई राइट?
True, 100% true. I think culture is the biggest thing what Ruben
या
Amorim wants to change at Manchester United with championship mentality. So it's not just how you do in the trainings will replicate how you do in the match. It's how you behave with the other people of the squad. What are your habits? How you are, like what you are wearing. Everything counts in building the culture. And if you want to have that, टॉप लेवल टीम जहाँ पे सब बाकी टीमों को डर लगे कि हम यूनाइटेड को फेस कर रहे हैं, सो दैट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम विद इन, एंड रूबन आमोरिम इज फोकसिंग जस्ट ऑन दैट, एंड द प्लेयर्स आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग वेल टू इट, एंड उसका एग्जांपल हमने देखा पिछले मैच में.
जो टॉप लेवल टीम की बात कर रहे हो, उनमें से एक यूनाइटेड लेजेंड ने भी एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है. सो पोर्चुगल में 2030 की वर्ल्ड कप हो रही है एंड नानी बिलीव्स दैट रोनाल्डो शुड प्ले इन दैट वर्ल्ड कप. ईश, टुडे इट्स 2024, ठीक है? 2030 6 साल. रोनाल्डो विल बी 45. डू यू थिंक हम ये विटनेस कर पाएंगे?
See, if anyone can do it, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. But I think thoda sa it's far fetched. हम fans तो like we would love to see him playing till 50, 55 also. But it's a bit far fetched. I'm sure that he'll be looking forward to play the next World Cup, the 2026 World Cup. And I don't know in what capacity will he be playing. Will he be starting every match? bench से आएगा. But then again, Portugal में 2030 World Cup हो रहा है. I'm sure he could be the brand ambassador. But he might get over with his footballing career once he reaches 1,000 goals and focus on Cristiano Junior and make him play the 2030 World Cup maybe.
Oh, that would be a treat to watch. I think Ronaldo, कोई भी फुटबॉल पिच पर हो, it is always a treat to watch, नहीं?
देखो, रोनाल्डो तो होगा, वो क्रिस्टियानो होगा कि रोनाल्डो जूनियर होगा, वो हमें डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा.
ये क्विकली ड्रॉस की भी बात कर लेते हैं क्योंकि इतने सारे ड्रॉस हुए. आई नो they don't concern you much apart from one draw, which was Real Madrid with Vallecano. We saw कि Chouameni center back position में खेल रहे थे and it didn't really work out, right?
Yeah. It didn't. Lot of injuries happening in the squad. Eder Militao is injured, and Real Madrid are actually looking at possible right back replacements, center back replacements, and that's one. But इसी का contrary ये है कि बार्सिलोना भी अब points drop कर रही है. So it's like Real Madrid are saying कि यार तू जीत जा यार ये वाला title, and बार्सिलोना is saying नहीं हमें नहीं चाहिए, आप जीत जाओ, हम भी points drop कर रहे हैं. और इन दोनों के टसल में एथलेटिको मैड्रिड आगे निकलती जा रही है. That's what the La Liga table is right now. But yeah, Real Madrid need to invest in good centre backs.
So being a Real Madrid fan, who would you invest in Jan if you had that option?
In Jan, I don't know if a lot of players will be available to shift. I think January mein to you have to bank upon the academy only, more on the academy. But then you have a decent amount of players who are potential replacements. जैसे Ousmane Diomande, he's the sporting centre back. Antonio Silva, he also plays the Portuguese league. Laporte, Jonathan Tah, these are the few names which come to my mind. But then eventually we'll see. Papa Perez अपना magic चलाएंगे and then let's see what happens.
ईश, अगर हम आर्सेनल की बात करें तो दे ड्रू टू एवर्टन 2. यार ईश, ये जीतने वाला मैच था, यू नो, बट नाउ देयर 6 पॉइंट्स बिहाइंड लिवरपूल एंड लिवरपूल हैज अ गेम इन हैंड. डू यू थिंक Arteta and company have just shot themselves in the foot here?
Bottlers है भाई Arsenal. they have and the difference between winning a title and just missing out is matches like these. All the other teams are
Sure.
dropping points, and this was the chance for them to sort of narrow the lead down at the top. So yeah, that's something that they would have done better. So they would have made a better case for themselves.
Liverpool top of the table. They also drew to Fulham. And
Yeah.
ईश वो मैच आई एम श्योर आपने देखा था. एंटनी रॉबिन्सन की स्टैंड आउट परफॉर्मेंस रही उस मैच में. ही वाज सो गुड. लिवरपूल्स एनीवे आइंग हिम. डू यू थिंक ही इज दैट लॉन्ग टर्म रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर like a long term solution rather for Liverpool as a left back?
Yeah, so Robertson, he's doing quite a good job. But then if you have to bank upon the youth, so like you said, Anthony Robinson, Milos Kerkez, he's the Bournemouth left wing back.
Yes.
These are the few potential players which come into your mind if you have to, strengthen that position. But because these guys are doing so well, it's not just Liverpool who will be eyeing them. It is all the top 6 clubs or the other leagues also who will be eyeing these players.
Yeah.
You never know. Liverpool can look at them as a possible replacement, but बाकी teams ऐसे छोड़ेंगे नहीं. And at the end, it depends on the player as to which club they want to join.
Liverpool draw, Arsenal draw, Real draw. Win for United, but there was also another win. Chelsea making a statement win. Each this is no longer a Cole Palmer show, right? सारे players perform कर रहे हैं. आप Nicholas Jackson को देख लो. Enzo is on fire. Kokorea is killing it. So ऐसे situation में, do you think they have it in them to become table toppers and stay there?
Yeah, so that's the biggest question right now. Obviously, like Enzo Maresca is cooking and they are getting wins after wins, and right now the form is also quite good. But then again, if you ask the question that do they have what it takes to overtake Liverpool and stay there, that's a big question. Right now, I somehow don't see that happening, especially because where they were last season. Na? So ठीक है, ये अच्छा turnaround है, काफी complete turnaround है. But right now, if you have to ask me who will win the Premier League, I think 70% it's Liverpool who will win the Premier League.
But वो 30% chance तो है. And ये जो 30% chance है, इस this quality, ये same players Pochettino के under भी खेल रहे थे, but इस level पर नहीं खेल रहे थे. How do you think that difference is playing out now?
I agree, but like Pochettino के अंडर भी like he started grooming these players, and वो base होता है ना एक club को अगर अच्छा करना है, so you start sowing in the seeds, and I think Maresca is reaping the benefits, I would say. And having said that, yes, anything can happen. It's a long season, lot of matches, and एक दो injuries Liverpool के top players को हो जाए, you can suddenly see their form dropping and other teams catching up. So सभी मैंने 70% अभी Liverpool किया, 30% is everyone, including Manchester City if you ask me. You never know how Pep turns the tide around.
Oh wow, and I hope Ish, a couple seasons down जब हम बात करें तो I hope हम बात कर रहे होंगे कि यूनाइटेड है टेबल टॉपर और उनके राइवल्स कौन है. राइट फॉर योर सेक.
100%. मैं को ऐसे 2 साल बाद हम बोलेंगे देखो यूनाइटेड तो जीत ही रही है, बट उनको चैलेंज कौन कर सकता है. लेट्स डिस्कस. दिस शुड बी द टॉपिक ऑफ conversation.
Awesome, Ish, like always, it was great talking to you, great chatting about football and the entire week and everything that happened, draws and most especially the win for you.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for having me on the show.